Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. Good news, my Cape York pack finally arrived for the bike after roughly about 3 weeks, and here in Australia the Cape York pack comes with the bike absolutely free, and it's valued at $700, so the right away price on these Suzuki DRZ400Es is $9,450, and included in that is a $700 pack which they call the Cape York pack. So even though that sounds good for 2021, in 2020 the deal with Suzuki Australia was $9,350 right away. And, I think you got exactly the same pack, plus in looking back 1 year ago, they even tossed in a set of Scorpion or Pirelli Scorpion tyres valued at $300. So their right away pack then in those days, or going back 1 year ago, was $1,000 worth of free goodies. So in 2021 you miss out on the tyres, but you get the $700 worth of other goodies for free. So we'll take a look at those and see what you get. First up we get these lightweight Protaper handlebars with the pad. Never fitted said these handlebars before, so if anyone's looking at this and got one of these bikes and know how you go about fitting it, you can sort of, if you don't mind, leave a comment in there for us, because I'm just wondering how hard it's going to be, or what I have to remove here to take the old bars off on both here on the throttle side and over here. Is it just a matter of undo the screws there and pull it straight out and then lift them off, or is there a little bit of a catch there involved in doing it? Because any help on that one would be appreciated. So that looks pretty good there. And then we got the Protaper half Waterfall grips. They look pretty good quality too, so that's not bad. Genuine Suzuki Radiator guards. I think that would be a bit of a challenge to fit. I'd probably have to remove all the plastic and all that. I don't know, maybe the tank. I'd have to look into how you're going to go about getting that one, but looks like a good quality item too. So we got that. We got the genuine Suzuki alloy Sump guard, or Backplate. So it's got a bit of weight to it. A nice looking unit. Got a nice colourful Darkbuster handguards. Might take them out of the plastic and then line them up and you can have a bit better look. But there they are, Darkbuster. This one I'm sort of excited about. This Suzuki makes quite a lot of noise with just the stock muffler on it, and I'd like to put this insert in it and just see how much it quietens it down. So that'll be really appreciated if that does the job. Cape York stickers, which I'll pull out of this in a minute and just show you. So I've got them out of the packing now. So there we are, we've got the Suzuki Darkbuster handguards. The tailpipe, which hopefully will be a lot quieter than the stock pipe. Our hand grips. Swing over to the Suzuki Radiator guards. They look like they'll take some fitting too. We got our dash plate or Sump guard. Protaper handlebar. And last but not least, there's the Cape York edition stickers that go on the rear or go on the swing arm. But anyway, that's a whole kit. That's the $700 laid out there, free of charge for the bike. And overall pretty happy with that. All I've got to do now is get onto it, and I think given the choice out of the items on there, which one I'd try first, I think would be, the tailpipe insert. Whip it on first and just see how it goes, because I find this bike is fairly noisy, and I haven't started it for a while now, but she certainly makes some noise. I figure if I can quieten that a few decibels, the wife won't be able to hear. The wife won't be able to hear me coming blocks away. Compared to the Enfield here, well, it's a lot quieter than that particular bike. And she said today that she can only hear me coming on this one about half a block away. Where this Suzuki, when I'm out on this one, she can hear it coming 3 or 4 blocks away. So it's pretty noisy, this one. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, taking a look. If you'd like to subscribe when I start running more clips on this Suzuki, please do. Catch you later.